Welcome back to Built by Oni. In today's episode, we're going to 3D print some washers to install our taillight on a Honda three-wheeler. So we're working to mount our taillight. Mounts to these rubber bushings. It has a steel sleeve with washer. I only have one, so we're going to 3D print one for the other side. So I have sat down in Shaper 3D and designed and drawn the needed plastic washer. Here I've added it to Bambu slicer. And I have a new 3D printed part. Okay, as you can see, I 3D printed versus the original. So I ended up printing a second one so I'd have a matching pair. So these bolts aren't long enough for final install. I will source me some longer, nicer bolts. They're good enough to for mock-up and for you to see the finished result. Just a few minutes and a little design time, I was able to fabricate a 3D printed washers and get the taillight mounted up.